Hello everyone, I'm Sam Reichard. Your Weather Almanac is brought to you today by Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven. They are located at 5847 Getwell Road in Suite A8. That's right across from that water tower. Relax and enjoy the birds. Our almanac looks fairly nice today. We'll have about a 20% chance for an isolated afternoon shower. Skies partly sunny today. High temperature 72, low of 54. The average high this time of year is 59 and the average low is 40. Record high temperature set on this date, 1997 was 79 degrees and a record low was 17 degrees in 1890. Sunrise today at 6:29. It sets at 5:55. That means you have 2 minutes, 10 seconds more daylight today compared to yesterday. Winds today will be from the south at 5 miles per hour, and I had no rain in my gauge in the last 24 hours. I'm Sam Reichard. Thanks for watching. Relax and enjoy the birds at Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven.